Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancers. Let us see what is coming up guys. We'll be picking few cards guys for your daily energies, and I'll be picking one card for your career situation Cancer, and one card for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck guys. So that will be the oracle's guidance message for your Cancers. So whatever deep thoughts we have regarding our situation, so that card will answer all those questions guys regarding your situation. So this is the oracle guidance card. So for your daily energies Cancers, the Empress, Four of Wands, Page of Pentacles. With these cards Cancers, I see here that you are celebrating today whatever some success that you are seeing today, some completion, successful completion, and you are celebrating that achievement. You're feeling happy for it. That is what I see here. And you have that creative energy about you guys. Maybe the way you are moving in your life, making those decisions, whatever path that you are embracing in your work situation. So all that is manifesting that happy goals, whatever you are supposed to reach, and you feel that happiness because of that guys. That is what I see here. You are enjoying prosperity today, success today because of your creativity, your skills. And also guys, maybe some of you all are planning to start a family. Maybe you are planning to have a child, or your person is having a child with you, or someone in your family, they are having a child guys. Something some energy associated with children. So you are having kids or someone from your family, and you are really happy for it. That is what I see here. And you are celebrating. So you have identified the successful path, whatever you need to do, and you are celebrating that success today guys. That is what I see here. And in your relationship, you feel this person is trustworthy, loyal to you. You share that mutual love, devotion, understanding, and harmony and peace is there in this relationship, and you are happy guys. Let it be work or in your relationship, you are happy for your situation and you are celebrating. That is what I see here. Hope and joy is what is your day, what is the energy that you experience today guys. Hope for the future, whatever brightness that you see, and the joy for all that you have accomplished today guys. Let us see what is this card Cancers. Judgment in reverse. So with this card guys, the energy is that for your career situation, you have you are making some decisions today. You are in a particular situation. Maybe till now you have completed some projects or some path of work, and you have got the result, happy for it, but you have to take the next step forward, and you are deciding what you need to do, what is the path. You are thinking deeply and making that decision. That is what I see here. So you are taking that success, your past success, into consideration, and you are clearly analyzing the choices what you need to make today. So let us see what is this card for your relationship Cancers. Six of Wands in reverse. So with this card here guys, the energy is that maybe um, some things that you thought will never happen is coming to manifest. Maybe this conception of a child, or some other decisions in your relationship, something you thought will never happen, maybe starting this family, or having this great understanding with this person, whatever you never hoped for, whatever you felt that will never come towards you, will never be your situation, that is coming towards you guys. So that is something you need to be really happy about. So unexpected things are happening, unexpected way things are moving forward. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance here, Cancers. So this card will answer any deep thoughts you have in your situation, guys. So what is the card? Co-create. So it may answer your situation in your career, guys, or your relationship. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, whatever your situation is in your life, you may feel, you may see some signs or some intuitions in your situation. So something may point you in a particular direction. When you have that intuition, you just need to understand that it is the universe guiding you, trying to work through you to help you reach that correct path. So whatever you need to do, so it is the time for you to just sit back, relax, and proceed in the path that has been guided for you in your life, and go towards that. When you do that, you will reach success in your life, guys. And even in your relationship, sometimes you may when you are with that person, you may get ideas about what you need to do. So your heart will open of itself with that love that you experience in that relationship, and you will see things coming to you out of nowhere, some inspirations coming to you. So you need to just understand that in this connection with this person, you share a deep bond with this person, and maybe when you are having some intuitive guidance, you need to take up that choice, guys, to make things work for the better. So that is what I see here. Even in your work, when you are making some important decisions, you may have some inspirations, some intuitive guidance. So whatever it is, when you do that choice, you will reach your dreams. So you need to be aware of that intuition coming towards you, the universe or God or that divinity or that higher power, whatever you may call it, when that is willing to work with you, create this wonderful manifestations, whatever is supposed to come in your life. When it is coming forward, trying to reach you, you should be open with your heart, willing to accept that help coming your way, guys. Accept that intuition. So that is the reading for you all, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Cancers. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Cancers. I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye, guys.